Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious chicken coconut jollof rice with you guys. Let's dive into it. In my pot, I add little bit of coconut oil. My chicken, I already spice and season it and I let it marinate for 2 hours. Feel free to use any spices and seasonings of your choice for your chicken. I lay them in my pot. I'm going to be frying this chicken 2 minutes on each side. Then I'm going to rinse the marinade bowl and just pour it in. I use my fork to just pierce some holes on the chicken so that all this yumminess will just soak it really good and penetrate. I loosen the sauce, cover and let it fry, and as that is easy, I'm blending onions, tomatoes and peppers. And that is the chicken. Flip them again, cover and let it fry, and as that is busy, I'm going to be frying my sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, adding sliced onions, garlic and ginger paste, spring onions. Fry it together for 1 minute. Add curry powder, turmeric powder, paprika powder and coriander. Stir it really good for a few seconds, then pour in the blend pepper mix. Add crayfish, grounded dry crayfish, tomato paste. Put it together, cover and let it fry. Depends on how much stew you have. Just for 5 minutes, my sauce is ready. Pour in the coconut milk. Don't forget, I'm cooking chicken coconut jollof rice. Came out so delicious. Put it together, pour in my washed basmati rice. Add 1 chicken bouillon. Little bit of salt. Don't forget, not too much salt because we're going to be adding this sauce from the chicken. My chicken are ready. I'm just bringing them out. I'm going to add the sauce to the rice. This sauce is packed full of flavor. Don't waste it. Use it on your rice. So delicious. Then I'm gonna put it together, cover and cook till the rice is almost dry. Lay my chicken in it. See, my rice is almost dry. Lay the chicken in it. Just spread that sauce. Cover and let it cook till it's totally dry. My rice is ready. This rice came out so delicious. The chicken is so flavorful, so yummy. Everybody in my house loves this rice. I urge you to try it. This recipe is so nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share. Thank you.